This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Android phone without losing any data. So this actually could be really easy if you have a Samsung phone. If you have a Google Pixel, it might be a little bit more difficult. Just go down from the top right and go to settings right here. Scroll on down and go to general management. Now scrolling down to reset. So on your Google Pixel phone, it's going to be a little bit different. I'll show you that in a second. On Samsung, I have these two different options that are very convenient. I have temporary cloud backup. I can tap this, and then I can go to backup data. I can back up my entire phone, all the pictures, videos, etc. to the cloud for 30 days. Once I do that, I can factory reset my phone, and I can come back in here and I can go to restore data, and I can download everything from the cloud. Otherwise, have external storage backup right here. If you have an SD card or something like that in your phone, or if you do have a little USB device, you can back it up to a USB device, just like this. And I have a USB adapter on here. That's USB-C to USB. That allows me to plug in some sort of external drive. And you'll see that pop up on here. And then I can back up my entire phone to this drive if I have enough room. So you can see, it's showing on here now. And I can go through that process, and it's pretty convenient. Once you back it up right here, you don't have to worry about your data being lost. You can go on down to factory data reset right here, tap it, and then factory reset your phone. Then just come back into this section right here and go to external storage backup, and you can retrieve the backup file from here. So another way that you could back up stuff is if you use this USB device. Let's say you're on your Pixel phone or even your Motorola, and you don't have those convenient backup options like you do on your Samsung. So you could still do this on your Samsung if you really wanted. So just plug this into the bottom of your phone just like this, and then swipe up, and let's go to Files now. Go to Files right here. Tap this, and you can see this USB device will be connected here on the bottom. If you have it plugged in correctly, sometimes this case gets in the way so it doesn't plug in all the way. Okay, it's lighting up. I can see it should be connected now, and I can see my USB device on there. I can go to each one of these categories, like images for example, go to the top right and go to select all. Go to the top right again, I can copy it to that USB device down here. So it might take a little bit of time to copy it, but then I can go to my audio files. I can go to my app. Well, I don't think I can copy over my apps. We can get those later on, but it looks like I do have the option to at least uninstall them. We can get those through the Google Play Store. We don't need to copy any of those, but we can go to Documents, Videos, Downloads, etc. And we can move everything over to my disk right here. So that makes it very easy and convenient. Then for all your contacts and stuff, we can just go on over to settings, and we can go to the Google Play services right here. And just make sure your contact sync is turned on, all services. Scrolling down, and you should see an option for contacts right here. We got backup. We can try turning that on. Turn on backup. You don't need to turn on photos and videos backup because we just captured that, but we have other device data. We can just turn this on right here. We got our call history, SMS, and this will be linked to your Google account, your messages. Then we can go back, Google Contact Sync. Just make sure this is turned on right here. You can see I have it turned off, so turn this on. Also sync device and SIM contacts. So once you have everything synced, your contacts should be saved to your Google account. And then you can go ahead and just factory reset your phone. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.